Find or read reviews that people are talking about Attracoast 3.2 Cu.Ft mini fridge with freezer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Space-saving design. Perfectly sized at 3.2 Cu.Ft, this mini fridge with freezer fits effortlessly into small spaces like bedrooms, offices, or apartments without compromising on storage capacity. Maximize convenience in compact living areas. Energy-efficient performance. Designed to save energy and money, this refrigerator uses just 0.41 kWh per day, offering powerful cooling performance while keeping your electricity bills low. Stay eco-friendly and budget-smart. Ultra-quiet operation. Engineered for silence, this mini fridge runs quietly throughout the night, ideal for bedrooms, study rooms, or any space where peace matters most. Enjoy cool comfort without disruptive noise. Smart compact design. Built with practicality in mind, this mini fridge features a temperature control range from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for dorms, apartments, and small offices. Small size, big performance. Flexible and organized storage. Comes with a crisper drawer and removable glass shelves that offer customizable storage options. Keep fruits, vegetables, drinks, and snacks neatly organized and always within reach. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.